नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। माई सेल्फ विष्णु सामोत्या, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथडोलॉजी, जयोति विद्यापीठ, विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। सेशन सोहार्स प्रोजेक्शन फॉर्मूला एंड न्यूमान प्रोजेक्शन फॉर्मूला। स्टूडेंट्स, welcome to my digital sessions SOARS and Newman projection formula. So today I will be discussed SOARS projection formula. It is a representation of the conformation. We can draw three-dimensional picture. However, the chemistry represent conformations in the two simple way as shown by Schwarz and Newman representation. So Schwarz representations, it is the representation we view carbon-carbon bonds for the oblique angles and indicated spatial arrangement by showing all carbon hydrogen bonds. So examples are given below. In Schwarz structure, it is used to the show interaction between a group on adjacent carbon atoms. So the reactions are 3D convert to 2D structures. In Schwarz representations are given below in slides. So rotation around the carbon-carbon single bond in ethene. First examples are Schwarz structure and second example are wedge projection convert to Schwarz's projection formula. Okay. So students, the Schwarz projection formula is the explanation of the conformational isomers and explain rotation around the single bond alkanes. So given below, in the eclipsed conformation convert to staggered conformation, rotation by 60-degree angles. So eclipsed conformation is the less stable conformation, but staggered conformation is the more stable conformations. So eclipsed form less stable to the staggered form due to the torsional strains. Torsional strain due to the in the bond rotations between the carbon and hydrogen atoms. So Schwarz formula are much like Day's three-dimensional formula. Okay. So student, next projection formula, Newman projection formula. Newman projection formula, it is the simple method to the represent the conformation. In these methods, the two carbon atom forming the sigma bond are represented by the two circles. So one behind two by the other source, so that only the parent carbon atoms is seen. So the carbon hydrogen bond of the parent carbon are depicted from the center of the circle with carbon hydrogen bonds of the back carbon and draw from the circumference of the circles. So it is represented the Newman projection formula. So let us understand the conformations of ethane. Infinite number of the conformations are possible. So out of the which only two conformations of ethane are important, is the staggered conformation and eclipse conformations. So students, Newman projection, it is usually or manually for the determining the conformational relationships and the show interactions. So leading to the steric hindrance between the atoms and groups. So steric hindrance are the each atoms are occupies a certain amount of the space which atoms are brought to the close together leads high energy due to the overlapping electron counts. So to write a Newman projection formula with the imaging over the thinking view from the one atom, usually a carbon, directly along a selected bond angle axis to the next atoms, also usually to the carbon atoms. So the front carbon and it is the other bond are represented as are given below, and so the back carbon and it is the bond are represented are given below in slides. Okay students, so students are the front carbon represented in the slides and the back carbon represented in the slides in the formula. So convert to the 3D rearrangement, convert to the 2D rearrangement in the Newman projection formula. At the back side are the different side color. Then the front side are the red colors, okay, and back side are hydrogens, and red hydrogen is the different colors in so in the projection formula, Newman projection formula. Okay, so students, two conformations are represented in a Newman projection formula. So staggered projection formula and eclipse projection formula. So what is the staggered conformation? Staggered conformation, in this the arrangement the hydrogen of the two carbon atoms are staggered with respect to the to one another. So as a result, they are the at maximum distance apart and have the minimum repulsion between them. In these the staggered conformations are given below. So and that are the eclipse conformations are eclipse conformations. In this the conformations the hydrogens of one carbon are directly behind those of the others. The constitution is that there are the resolution of these atoms of maximums. So the Newman projection formula of the conformations is as follows. So eclipse conformation and staggered conformations. So students, the conformations of the Athens is the Newman projection of Athens when one of the carbon atoms front it is a keep fixed and the other is the rotate above the carbon bond. So infinite. So the number of the isomers are possible by the rotation above the single bonds. So eclipse conformation, hydrogen rotation are the 0 degree angles, and eclipse rotation convert to 60 degree rotations are Gaussian conformations. Bond angle is equal to 60 degree, and further 60 degree rotation are the eclipse conformations. Bond angle is equal to 120 degree, and further rotations are the 60 degree, and Gaussian conformation are the 180 degree bond angles, and further convert to 60 degree are the eclipse conformations, and further convert to the 60 degree are the Gaussian conformations, and further react with 60 degree are the eclipse conformation. So different types of the bond angles in one of the carbon atom front and keep the another carbon bond is the infinite. Okay, so all structures considered as the conformations. Okay students, so explain the Newman projection formula and Weis's Schwarz projection formula. Okay, thank you students.